What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. This is a very special one because it's the first episode of a beautiful partnership with the tourist board of San Vigilio di Marebbe, a wonderful area here in the Dolomites surrounded by some amazing mountains. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I just started to hike from Rifugio which is right behind me, and today's goal is a mountain hut called Rifugio Lavarella. It's set in the Fanes-Sennes-Braies Nature Park, and it's a fantastic area with a lot of lakes and beautiful mountains all around, so I'm gonna spend the night there and explore a bit of the area. It's going to be amazing. Almost 2 hours hiking, and I just reached this spectacular place. It's like a plateau with a couple lakes, one here and one over there, and all these beautiful huts surrounded by this amazing wilderness. And that hut over there is where I'm gonna spend the night. I just crossed this pass called Limo, and here's a lake called Lake de Limo, and I'm going to a fantastic area on the other side of the pass called Gran Fanes. This place is incredible. The water is crystal clear and the reflection with the mountains is unbelievable. Looks like being a fairy tale. back at the hut, and it's time to have a little bit of rest because tomorrow morning I'm gonna leave very early at around 3 a.m. to reach the top of that mountain called Col Bechei to enjoy sunrise right from the top. So it's time to go to sleep. Good night. Good morning. I've been hiking for almost 2 hours now, and I'm really close to the top. The landscape is getting incredible. Check this out. It's time to go down. Alright, so I'm finally back at the hut. Now it's time to have a bit of breakfast, pack my stuff and hike back down to the car. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed this spectacular area as much as I did. And from Fanes-Sennes-Braies Nature Park, San Vigilio di Marebbe, see you in the next adventure.